everyone, what's up? I hope your days are going great and you would have a productive week ahead. Also, if you're new here, so my name is Arpita and I am a 7th grader. I make productive and study related content. So if you're interested in these kinds of videos, you can definitely subscribe to my channel. So talking about today's video, so it's another productive video that is all related to things I do as a 7th grader. And in this video, you're going to see like what I do in a day, basically a day in my life, some productive stuffs, online classes, cleaning, organizing, and a bunch more things. So make sure to watch the video till the very end if you like. So make sure to like, share, and let me know through comments below how you like my video, or even if I can improve something. I would be happy to read that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I started off this extremely productive day with going for a walk outside, and nowadays it's been in my habit to go for a walk daily when it's not sunrise, like it's about 6 or 6:30 maybe. And yeah, I just go and walk, exercise until and unless the sun is out, like until and unless it's sunrise. And when I was back home, it was very good sunny, and I started with journaling, which I can never miss. Like literally, I have started journaling every day now with a cup of black coffee, which is definitely very bad. And you could see the sunny vibes, that's so good, indie vibes. And for the breakfast, I have this veg sandwich, which is definitely healthy. And here I started off with my first online class. So nowadays I'm not going to school as I wasn't well, I had sore throat and many more things. So I'm just attending online classes, but yeah, I'll go to school very soon. And also I'm planning to make some routine videos. Comment if you are voting for it. Okay, so here you can see me attending my online classes, and here is a glimpse of it. So for the next session, we had our physics class. Now for physics, it was pretty easy because I just had to make notes within the topic, and our teacher explains it so nicely. Especially turning on the caption acts as a booster for me, and personally making notes with caption on is the best thing. Like you're not gonna miss any topic. So after 3 consecutive study sessions, we get a break, and for this break I head off with making a coffee for myself so that I can continue with better concentration. Now we don't get coffee at school, but sitting at home we have just started doing so many things which we can't do at school. Still, this coffee is definitely a booster for me, and now I would be more consistent and productive for my further session, as the next class is of that subject which I personally don't like, and that is biology. And like I love some chapters but still not that much. So yeah, let's join the class, turning off the video or else everyone would see me holding the phone. So here you can see me attending my class, and that's what you usually see in my videos. Anyways, I just am listening to my teacher because here my teacher was explaining this chapter, that is respiration, and it was like almost over. We were doing the last topic, and you could see me just touching the laptop so many times because I just was answering. And yeah, sitting next to the window, attending classes, feeling the nature, best part of the day. So here I'm just marking few question answers as the chapter finally got over, and the class also finally got over. And now I'm extremely excited because this is our computer class, and our computer teacher set us to make a HTML web page in which there should be few things like it should be a computer quiz sort of something. And here I was presenting. I feel so proud of myself as I was the first to make it. So that's something very proud to be. And I think you should be proud of these small moments which can make you happy, and you should notice all of them. And these small moments in life makes us happy, and that's what you should be happy of. And here you can see how it turned out to be. I just made some random questions, and here are my classmates who went at school in the computer lab. They just enjoyed doing this on the school computer. And a glimpse of my maths class. Now I didn't shoot so much during classes, or else the video would have been so longer. longer. And anyways, after classes are ended, the desk is like a whole mess, and I cleaned it and started with replying your sweet comments as I uploaded a video like few days ago. So I was just replying to the comments I got on that. Thank you so much for sharing your love on my video, supporting me, and I'm like so thankful to each and every one of you who is watching my video, supporting me and liking me. Also, you can also comment and let me know like how you like my videos. Now for an instant snack, I just got these cup noodles. Now I am very much you can say having these cup noodles nowadays. I got a bunch of them, so here I just made them as it's an instant snack which you can prepare anytime. And then we got a lot of worksheets, tests. So here I started off with this history test. Now I again didn't shoot giving all the tests as I didn't want it to make the video very much longer. And yeah, I just finished doing that, and this is what it is. And now I'm gonna unbox something.
Yeah, I have got a pre-Diwali gift today in the afternoon, but I didn't get time to unbox it. And finally, sorry for that, that's a cracker my neighbors are burning right now. So yeah, here it is. It's huge, and I'm gonna unbox that right now. So yay, let's do it. I'm so excited. Yay, that's a tripod. Diwali is arriving, and I am very sure in everyone's home cleaning would have started, like till now it would have started, and that's what is going on in my home. And my mom gave me duty to clean my desk, so I'm gonna do that, and you're gonna see me doing that. Nothing so special, just living a organized and clean life, and that's a part of it. So let's be doing it.
너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형.
So I was feeling cold, and yeah, I wore this full sleeve top. And now I'm gonna continue with cleaning my study table. So yeah, let's be doing that.
상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은
It is in three parts. Like here are the books, then the notebooks, and a lot of rough notebooks. And there are few other items, so I'm just going to firstly organize them all, and then we'll keep this all in the shelf. And yeah,
비동사 plus ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing 좋아한다고 보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐 아파할까
accomplished by accomplishing all the tasks which I did set for today. And now my father was like, let's go for dinner outside. So, like, how can I miss an opportunity to go outside for dinner? So, that's what we are gonna do. And yeah, meet you over there. What we have, like, it's butter naan and it's kahai chicken, and that's butter chicken, yes.